Today's on the air test is this Nato 40 FM, which uses the Cybernet 002F chassis. And we can wear in a picture. This has no internal speaker. I'd have done something about that, except all the hardware's been taken as well. So what can you do? You can start bodging hardware together, but it belongs to a car club, and I think they're quite happy to use it with the extension speaker, which presumably they've done for a very long time. Unfortunately, it suffered from being... Oh, we've got a light intermittent on it, have we? It doesn't end this set. Obviously going to have a look at that. What did it say in the notes? Broken Delta tune switch, that doesn't matter. We've linked that so that it works in the correct position. No way of replacing the switch. If you've got a suitable speaker, that would be great. Well, it's not the fact we've got suitable speakers. What we haven't got is the mounting hardware. And so anyway, this one has been reverse polarity. The diode had failed previously. The diode had, therefore the printed circuit had blown where the diode had caused the short circuit because of being blown. And so then you end up with, the next time power is applied in reverse, well, you end up with a blown audio IC and often a blown receiver IC. But we ended up with a blown volume control. So if people just put fuses in, you know, this wouldn't happen. It's frustrating. Hello, anybody in there? I think the bulb has failed. No, and they say, well, it was lit when you had it. Yeah, Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, do you copy?
Tango 21, I'm receiving you. Not very loud, not very clear. It sounds like we're at Scratchy Corner.
Does it? Oh, let's have a listen to myself. It's probably better now I'm on the aerial and not the test set.
Yeah, that's better.
You know, just sitting here, lining up the camcorder, and the meter lamps failed on this set.
Oh, that's something else for you to do.
There you go. Right, anyway, we're on, and the radio has got no light on it. And you think, is anybody in there? Hello? But I'm here.
Roger. Right, coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane. I will just say we're on extension speaker because, as I already said, the radio doesn't have an internal speaker. This gives this set an unfair advantage in the way it sounds. So I want you to bear that all in mind. I've done these sets before. You can go and look at an on-the-air test of a previous one where it's on its own speaker. But I don't like doing them to an external speaker. I've got no choice under these circumstances.
Now passing Ancaster service station.
Roger, got you at Ancaster service station. What's the price?
Yep, 191.9 and 199.9.
91.9 and 199.9, right.
Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads. Over.
Roger, got you going through Ancaster Crossroads. Roger on that. And you know, when you get to Scratchy Corner, can you pull up at the lay-by at when you've done Scratchy Corner at Wilsford, and I'll just spend 5 minutes changing this meter lamp over.
Yeah, roger that.
Roger.
Tango 20. Chippie, going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. The squelch came in, I had to readjust the squelch, but I've got you. I'm on a Nato 40 FM, and it uses the Cybernet chassis, the 002F chassis, and it's doing 3.5 watts over.
Yep, roger that. I'll see you.
Roger. Ten minutes later, it's one of those bulbs. It's not the grain of wheat type. It's a little bulb. Right, he's there. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, back recording.
Roger that. Right, we're now going over Wilsford level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing.
Roger that. Right, we're now passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Over. Right, we're now passing the Grayling turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Grayleys turn. And as I always say, that's our worst one. It's surrounded by trees. So that's the 5 mile point. So its final one, Rawsby level crossing, which is the 6 mile point. Remember, these tests are the wrong side of a hill, deliberately done in the worst possible direction for us.
And 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rawsby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rawsby level crossing. And do we have a price of the petrol there? Over.
Yep, it's 189.9 and 199.9. Over.
Good, it's come down a bit. It's 189.9 and 199.9 for diesel. Right, that's it, thank you.
No problem,
1010. Right, so we'll go over to our Harrier base station. It's got a clear normal switch. I don't know if it's done in the same way that the Cybernet 134 is, but we'll try that. So it's my standard replacement microphone. So we'll go over to the Harrier base now.
Tango 21 testing the Nato 40 FM with our standard replacement microphone. This is in the normal position. Now switch to the clear position. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is in the clear position. Testing 1, 2, 3. That is back to the normal position. Now we'll switch to Roger Bleeper. And here's take 2 with the Roger Bleep switched on. The radio doesn't like you to switch to Roger Bleep when you're in transmit. So here it is with Roger Bleep. And here it is again without the Roger Bleep. And thanks for watching.